morning, learners. Welcome to our class today. In our previous class, we looked at percentage and we said percentage simply means expressing a number in hundred. Now, today class, we are going to be looking at percentage increase and decrease. You already know that the word increase simply means to multiply a number or to increase a number, while decrease simply means lowering a number. We are going to take the following example. In example 1, we are told to increase 300 by 20%. So what we are going to do, we have 300 times 20%. So this is going to give us 300 times 20 over 100, then we have over 1. 0 can cancel out 0, 0 can cancel out 0. We're now going to be having 30 times 2. That is going to give us 60. So therefore the increase is going to be the original number, which is 300 plus 60, and that is going to give us 360. We can use another method to solve it. Another method, what we are going to do is going to be 300 times 100%, which is the original percent, plus 20%. We increase the percentage by 20. So this is going to give us 300 times 120%, and that will give us 300 times 120 over 100. We have this to be over 1. 0 can cancel out 0. 0 can cancel out 0. We are going to have 120 times 3, and that is going to give us 360. In the next question, we are asked to increase 600 by 8 whole number 1 over 3%. So this is going to give us 600 times 8 whole number 1 over 3%. As we did in the other work, we are going to change this to improper fraction. That will give us 25 over 3. Percent mean over 100, so divide by 100. This will now give us 600 times 25 over 3, and then we reciprocate. If we reciprocate, we are going to be having 1 will be going up, 100 down. We can cancel out 0, and cancel out 0, 0, and cancel out 0. 3 here will be 1, 3 here will be 2. We are going to be having 2 times 25, and that is going to give us 50. In number 3 question, we are told that school fees in a certain school was increased from 1,500 to 2,500 per term. What is the increase? So in this number 3 question, so what we are going to do, we are going to find the difference in the two fees. The difference in the two fees, that is going to give us 2,500 minus 1,500, and that if we subtract, we are going to have 1,000. So if we are to express this amount in percentage, it's going to be 1,000 over 1,500 times 100 over 1. So we are going to cancel out 0, we cancel out 0, 0 we cancel out 0. We are having 1,000 over 15, and then we can divide. 5 can go into this will give us 200. 5 can go, we are going to be having 3, so we are going to reduce with 3. 3 into 20, that is going to give us 6. We have a remainder of 2. 3 into 20, that is going to give us 6. We have a remainder of 2 over 3 what? Percent. Question number 4, we are going to percentage decrease now. We are told to decrease 2,000 by 20%. So what we are going to be having, we are going to be having 2,000 times 20%. That will give us 2000 times 20 over 100. We can cancel out 0, 0 can cancel out 0. We're now going to have 200 times 2. That's going to give us 400. So therefore the decrease now, getting the decrease is going to be 2000 minus 400, and that is going to give us 1600. So the difference between percentage increase and decrease, in increase you are adding to it, while in decrease you are reducing from it. Another method by which you can solve this work also is this. It's going to be 2000 times 100%, your original percent, minus the given percent, which is 20. That is going to give us 2000 times 80%. That will simply give us 2000 times 80 over 100. Then we have over 1. 0 can cancel out 0. 0 can cancel out 0. We are going to be having 200 times 8. And that is going to give us 1600. We are going to question number 5. That's to decrease 180 by 20. That's to decrease 180 by 20. So it will give us 180 times 25%. So we are decreasing by 25%. That will give us 180 times 25 over 100. 0 can cancel at 0. 5 here is going to give us 5. 5 here will give us 2. 5 into 18 will give us 9. So we are going to have 9 times 5. That will give us 45. So the decrease now is simply going to be 180 minus 45. 180 minus 45. We borrow. That will give us 5. 3, 1. That is going to be 135. So another method which I introduced earlier is going to be 180 times. So we are decreasing. We subtract from 100%. So it will be 180 times. If we subtract, we are going to be having 75. So we are going to have 180 times 75 over 100. 0 can cancel out 0. 5 can go into 75. That will give us 15. 5 into 10, that will be 2. 2 into, that is going to give us 9. So we are going to have 9 times 15. Let's multiply. 9 times 5, that will give us 45, and then we'll carry 4. 9 times 1 is 9, plus the 4, that will give us 3. So you can see any of the method used, we are going to be having the same answer. The last example, which is example 6, and we are told that school fees were decreased from 25 naira to 20 naira per term. What is the percentage decrease? So we are going to look for the difference. Difference is going to give us 25 minus 20, and that is going to give us 5. So I told us school fees were decreased from 25 naira to 20 naira. So percentage decrease now is going to be 5 over 25 times 100% over 1. That will simply give us 25 can go into 100, that will be 4. Then we have 5 times 4%. That is going to give us 20%. So for today's class, what we looked at percentage increase and decrease. So for percentage increase, the number will be going higher, while for decrease, the number will be reducing. And I told you that there are 2 approaches by which you can do it. First of all, you can solve the percent. After solving the percent, you subtract from the original number. Or what you simply do is that you are going to add 100% to the given percent. So in course of our class, you are free to ask questions on any area you are not that clear. Thank you.